What does mean? Oh, okay, I know.
10.
Come on! Don't tell me.
먼저 소개하면 되죠.
Okay, hello. स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो च्यानलमा. So, look, लामा सिस्टर्स आर हियर. हैन? अहिलेसम्म मैले होमन प्लस तामाङ ब्रदर्सलाई व्हाइट बोर्ड च्यालेन्जमा जितिसकेको छु.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढिया मुन्ना.
सो सबैजनाले आफ्नो नाम देखाइदिनु पहिला व्हाइट बोर्डमा, हैन? सो आज चाहिँ मैले लामा सिस्टर्सहरुलाई जिते भने मेरो यो थर्ड भिक्ट्री अनि किङ अफ द टेबल हुन्छु म. सो लेट्स सी आजको गेम चाहिँ के हो. लेट्स वेलकम लामा सिस्टर्स. एन्ड आज प्रीति पनि आउनु भएको छ है. ओके, लेट्स वेलकम हर टु. नाउ ओके होस्ट, व्हाट इज आवर गेम?
Riddles and animals in hidings.
Riddles and animals in hiding. भन्नाले Riddles and animals in hiding भन्नाले
Riddles.
Riddles.
Animals in hiding, it's like there's an animal in the sentence. So you have to find the
Find the
animal.
animal.
Find the animal.
Wait,
There's a sentence and there's an animal.
I didn't. एउटा word.
There is a sentence.
There is
So you
a
have to
sentence.
be-
त्यो सेन्टेन्स पढिसकेपछि त्यहाँ भित्र एउटा एनिमल हुन्छ. त्यो एनिमलको नाम चाहिँ
नाम
लेख्नु
याद
पर्यो. ओके ब्याङ्क एनिमल.
Isn't that insect?
ब्याङ्क भने एनिमल हो.
Insect.
Riddles are different. And animal in hiding, it's different.
Let us start the game.
तर मैले जित्छु जस्तो लाग्छ हैन. ओके लामो सिस्टर्स, आर यु रेडी?
Yes.
ओके, रुल्स चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि क्वेसन पढ्नु भन्दा अगाडि यु ह्याभ योर ह्यान्ड शुड बी अप हैन. थाहा हुने बित्तिकै मार्कर लिएर ओपन गरेर यु क्यान स्टार्ट राइटिङ. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ देखाइहाल्नु पर्यो. होस्टले जसको पहिला एन्सर देख्नुहुन्छ पोइन्ट दिनुहुन्छ र पोइन्ट पाउने बित्तिकै यु क्यान टेक 50 रुपीज फ्रम हियर. ओके ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम. ह्यान्ड्स अप. What kind of band never plays music? Rubber band. Rubber band. Rubber band. Guys, game बुझ्यो मारो बाबुले.
Sati, but you said it ahead.
तर उसले लेखिरहेको थियो नि त, लेखिरहेको थियो. म भन्दिनँ.
यार ऐसे गेम में चीटिंग होगी ना तो मैं नहीं खेलूंगा.
Should त्यस्तो भन्न पाइदैन नि.
मैले रुल बना. सरी. 1 point. Come on, let's go. What has hands but cannot clap? Okay. Clock. That's the answer. Watch your clock. That's the answer. Watch your clock. I understood, man. Hey, मेरे सही रूप है. Come on.
मेरो सही रूप है.
Chin. Let's get ready. Hands up. Animal in hiding. Eric Oath. Cow. Okay, come on.
Yeah, what the hell?
I'm going to win.
Oh my god.
आज मैले जित्दैन जस्तो मन त भयो. I'm out of this game.
What has many teeth but cannot bite? Toothbrush? Teeth. What has many teeth but cannot bite? What has many teeth? What has many teeth? Oh, okay, I know.
10,
Shoe and become.
9.
Don't call me. Shoe and become.
मैले सेकेन्ड खेल्न सक्दिनँ।
Come on, Mitchell, come on.
What the hell? Okay.
Come on, you get the main line, okay? Don't show me. Come on, 4 points. Animal having he called lazy goldie. Yes, I can't say animal. Hey, one bit. Voila. Come on. Okay.
Okay, मैले animal देखेँ।
Yes. Good one. Okay. Ipusong is in competition with me. Come on, my Cheng and Pretty, you can do it.
It's impossible.
It's a very simple game. Let's go. What has room but cannot enter it? Okay. What has room but cannot enter it?
Bedroom.
Sleeper. What has room
Sleeper leg. What the
but
hell?
cannot enter it?
Sleeper and bitter.
What has room but broom?
Oh my god.
मिलेगा?
1.
Mushroom!
What the hell? मैले रुम भएको सोचिरहेको थिएँ। क्लासरुममा त हेरेको थिएन। My brain not functioning.
Simple day.
Brain not brain.
Brain not braining.
I think I'm going to win today, Lama sister. Hat trick मा जाँदैछु म. 4 points. Come on. What building has the most stories?
Yeah.
Library.
Book stories, huh? Stories, more stories. Book. Library. मेरे 4 points. लाठी ने बेटे का. Good one, Lama sisters is coming. Come on, but nobody can catch me. She came late.
Yo, bro.
Good point.
What the hell?
Good one. Come on, Kancho, come on. You can do it. Lama sisters are understanding the game. Come on. You tell what has a head and a tail but nobody. Come on, I know this. Come on, coin. Come on.
I knew this. I had you here.
5 point no taiko.
Oh yes.
What the hell?
Game series.
Game over.
One minute. Only go अगाडि I. Lion.
म लाइन खोजिरहेको थिएँ ए आइ हो त्यो म त एनल हो यहाँ त लाइन हुँदैन
आयो. One.
Okay, good.
Nice.
Good. Good one. 2, 5. The game over. Sure, game over. Yes, come on. I'm going to win. What table doesn't have legs?
Multiplication.
No. What table doesn't? What table doesn't have? What table? Hey.
Vegetable.
हामीले त लेख्नै भ्याएको
मैले त सोचेको थिएन।
म चाहिँ स्टेबल भन्दा क्या छिटो गएको भ्याउँदैन नि हामीले मेरो त दिमागमै आएको थियो आएको थियो
मैले switchable.
ऊ क्या होला ओके कम अन आज त अगाडि गेम जितिसकेँ मैले कम अन
Give more.
If I shout, you will hear. Wait, होइन त यो त के पो हो रे? I found it. Fish. If I shout, F-I-S-H. 6 points. Come on.
Hey, what the riddle भन्दै? Hey, what the riddle भन्दै? Animal then.
Animal. Come on.
Game over.
Now I found it. Now I'm going to win. This is my third streak. First time. Game over. Wait, Peter. Forwards, I am happy. Backward, I am not. What am I? Backward, I am not.
म चाहिँ के हुँदैन रहेछ? Stomach.
Backward.
अगाडि हुन्छ नि ब्याकवर्ड हुन्छ नि एकछिन म भन्छु त मलाई नेपालीमा बताए
हुन्छ नेपालीमा हुन्छ नेपालीमा
उकालो
Forward, I am happy. Backward, I am not. Forward, I am happy. I am not. Backward, I am not. What am I?
के हो यो?
Forward, I am happy.
स्टोमक
10.
Forward, I am happy. Backward. Hey, मलाई थाहा भयो. मलाई थाहा भयो. Cheer.
5,
Cheer.
4,
अगाडि
टाइमर नराखौँ न एकछिन
Forward, I am happy. Come on, guys.
1.
Forward, I am happy. Backward, I am not. What I am? Torn.
ल मैले उकालोमा भारी भन्नु लागेको थियो कि तर मैले सक्दिनँ
Forward, I'm heavy. Torn. Backward, I'm not. What is the backward?
Torn हो त. Forward, I am happy. Torn. अनि backward, I am not.
खाएपछि
Answer त्यही रहेछ नि not. Game over. I'm going to win the game. And that's it. Come on! 6 points.
I'm
Come
second 3 points
I got the streak. Oh, first time Lama sister chala धेरै पछि. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Thank you, Kanjo. Thank you. Well done. Okay, so hope तपाईहरुलाई गेम मन पर्यो. अगाडि त हामीले गेम बुझेन हैन. So अलिकति गाह्रो भयो हामीलाई गेम बुझ्नको लागि. होप तपाईहरुले चाहिँ गेम बुझ्नु भयो होला. एन्सर्सहरु कमेन्ट सेक्सन्समा लेखिदिनुस्. Thank you so much Lama sisters. Thank you for coming. And I will come up with new game now. Board game सक्यो, whiteboard game. Whiteboard game मा मैले जिते. अब let's see what happens in other games. Okay. पहिलाको जस्तै प्लिज सब्स्क्राइब चाहिँ गरिदिनुस् हैन. सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु भयो भने मात्र हामीलाई सजिलो हुन्छ भिडियो बनाउनको लागि. एन्ड जानुभन्दा अगाडि ओके लामा सिस्टर्स गेट रेडी 1 2 3 गो. जय माता.
Bloopers.
What has branches but no leaves, no trunk and no fruits? के हो यस्तो? What has branches but no leaves, no trunk and no fruits? What has branches but no leaves, no trunk and no fruits? What has branches but no leaves, no trunk and no fruits? Riddle. What has branches but no leaves, no trunk and no fruits?
10. Nine.
So much.
What has
What has
branches
branches
but
but
no
no
leaves? No trunk and no leaves.
What is this?
Cute, yeah.
Four.
What has branches but no
Three.
leaves? Cute. What has branches but no leaves?
One.
Yo.
What the hell?
And
And bank. Animal.
Why no?
Isn't that insect?
Bank one animal. Oh.
Insect.
Riddles are different. And animal in hiding, it's different.
Animal.
Oh,
insect.
दुईटा game हो.
हुँदैन।
दुईटा game हो.
Wait, the game
It's
is.
a word चाहिँ हो.
Oh, it's so... कस्तो...
See, what the
See,
hell? What the
No,
freak?
animals हुने
Riddles
हैन.
होला, थाहा छैन?
No! No!
No!
No!
म त animals like
म चाहिँ रिडल भित्र एनिमलको नाम हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो क्या
होइन.
What
Riddle एउटा different हो के. Riddle is a different one. अनि त्यसपछि animals in hiding को चाहिँ what I said. त्यहाँ sentence हुन्छ and then there is an animal within that sentence भन्नु खोज्छ.
दुईटा
Riddle
रहेछ
मा
के
त
game.
कसरी हुन्छ के?
दुईटा गेम रहेछ मैले बुझिसकेँ.
दुईटा गेम
अनि
हो
रिडलमा भने
ठिक छ ठिक छ फर्स्ट टाइम यस्तै हुन्छ
What has
okay.
branches but no,
No
leaves,
leaves.
no trunk and no fruit भनेको ब्याङ्कको
Bank.
branches हुँदैन?
Yes.
सामुकोसी branch.
म त ant लेख्छु.
पनि एनिमल सोचिरहेको ओके ओके
मैले के त्यो के हो रिडल भन्न न
Hey, you guys are going to edit this.
म के हुँदैन के हुँदैन फर्स्ट टाइम यस्तै हो
Edit गर्दैन. त्यही भएर त टाइटल हेर न रिडल भनेपछि यस्तो हुन्छ.
ओके एनिमल भने दिए ए ओके ओके अब चाहिँ बुझ्यो एनिमल हाइड हुने रहेछ त्यहाँ ओके के हुँदैन लेट्स गो
अब चाहिँ एनिमल हुन्छ.
जे पनि हुन सक्छ
Bro, what
Depends
the
on the
freak?
title.
Okay.
Animal in hiding, close the door at once. Huh? Close the door at once.
Snake.
Close the door
All I can see is
at once. Close the door at once.
There is an animal within this sentence. Find that animal.
Actually, wait, don't say it.
Close the door at once. Close the door at once. Find the animal. Close the door. Hey, close the door. Door किन बन्द गर्नुपर्छ?
First riddle understood, right?
Yeah.
कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर. I'll give you an example of
How
this
about
one.
यो सेन्टेन्समा एउटा एनिमलको नाम
It's
छ
like
हैन?
it's like the jumble word just so it's like.
Hey, मैले थाहा पाएँ पक्का. Close the door at once. Shut up.
You guys don't know अमर
मस्किटो
हैन म
किन भन्दाखेरि मस्किटो आउँछ ढोका भने.
छिटो टाइम.
यति नै
What the hell?
Close the door.
Pardon, you guys are not understanding what I'm saying.
Please,
Say what
please,
example.
please, please,
Example.
leave her.
Close the
देखियो?
door.
Oh my god!
Hey,
it's
rat!
What
Oh!
is it? What does it? I
It's
told you it's like
not
jumble word.
जम्बल
What's
वर्ड
the
हैन.
jumble word? Where is the jumble
त्यसमै
word?
छ भन्नुला. त्यसमै
No,
like
like त्यो डोरको आर भयो अनि एड त अर्को छ नि त like it's like kind of jumble.
Hey, okay.
Why you got the idea?
केही हुँदैन सेकेन्ड टाइम आएन we will do it.
Where is the Indian?
What the hell?
ANT.
Not even stupid. It's not a jumble word.
बुझे दुईजनाको
You
example.
do. Yes, अब चाहिँ बुझ्यो.
Idiot.
Now we understood the game. Now let's start the game. And
Subscribe my channel. Don't forget the bell icon.